wall-mounted vending machine. You can put it on the table as it is. It has 32 touch screens, and you can upload pictures or videos from our system and display it as advertising when the machine is not used. This is the credit card reader. You can change it to cash receiver or coin acceptor. Here is the pickup port. Then we open the machine to see what's inside. You can see it has 2 layers of cargo lens, each layer with 6 cargo lens, total 16 cargo lens. The cargo lens is specially customized to fit this product with slim packing. If your products with a bigger package, the cargo lens can be redesigned to fit your products. For the cargo lens, we use the push motor to deliver the products. You can see the bottom here, the white ones is our push motor, is our patent. Use this kind of push motor is much better than use spirals because it has more capacity. As the box here is slim and with the certain shape, we can put it one by one from here and make the machine can contain more products.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing